And talking of Laddie, he walks in here, and as usual, then that changes from London to cryptocurrency. There, let's have it. Oh, okay. Well, when you talk about being disappointed, but I'm sure that will change in a couple of seconds as Laddie walks in now. Yeah, and I can tell you, I don't think I can keep quiet about this. Bitcoin has done it.
Done it. Wow. I am as shocked. I don't know how shocked you are.
I had my mouth open for minutes when I saw it. I was like, I can't believe it. From 20 to over 35. Yeah.
From nowhere. This came from nowhere. And it's so green. And my question now is, how sustainable is this? What's driving this greed in the market right now?
I think this is a good time to make some profit and then stay on the corner.
Yeah.
Because something is going to happen after this.
Exactly. But we don't know what.
We don't know what.
We'll just keep tracking.
Exactly.
That's it. That's how it's looking right now. It's super green right here in the crypto market. Bitcoin there did touch above $35,000. Big jump. Over 10% this morning. Ethereum also breaking that 1,600 level, getting up to $1,800, also about 10% this morning. We see huge pockets of green all around the board, just a few reds there. Some profit taken with Link. But if we look at the top cryptocurrencies we track now, take a look at that list. You see it's all green there with Bitcoin holding above that 33,000 level. If we flip over now to the top cryptocurrencies that we track, you see that Bitcoin is holding up there, 10.77%, 8 a.m. this morning. BnB, $227, also breaking that $213 resistance. It's been at for a while now, 2.76% up. Cardano not missing out in the action, 28 cents, up 5.25%. But XRP, some might say it's still quite disappointing because it's still around that 50-cent level, but it's 54 cents, above 50 cents. So I guess some investors would take that, 3.91%. Let's bring in Olumide Adesina, our financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Laddie. Thanks for having me.
Right. So, Olumide, definitely when a rally like this, comes upon you, there is that fear of missing out, FOMO, and that spirit is really strong, when it comes to a rally like this and with investors. Tell me what's going on in this market, Olumide.
It's a very green day. Just like you rightly rated, Bitcoin year to date is over 100%. October is up by more than 20%. Yesterday, to today, gained about 12%. It tells you pretty much that Bitcoin is rallying at its highest level since May 2022. And pretty much is the anticipation by investors, particularly institutional investors, that a spot ETF will come in play. We've earlier reiterated that will bring in about $155 billion into the world's most valuable crypto asset. So some investors that already positioned earlier. But the key thing to notice was the way it broke from the 30,000 resistance and immediately turned to support. One had anticipated that, at some point, the strong dollar, the US Fed meeting on November 1 will bring down the asset. But right now, Laddie is defying gravity. And, it touched 35 before cooling up at around 34,000 as we speak. Right. But I think the stars in the show is the meme coins. You see Pepe up by more than a third of its value. You see Rocket Pool and ApeCoin. So it's an interesting sign in the crypto market right now, Laddie.
Right, and definitely we know Bitcoin is having fun right now, talking about Bitcoin investors with this rally, but definitely we cannot shy away from the issue with the Naira, right now hitting new lows. Talk to me about that P2P market in the crypto industry. Can that play, have any positive, towards the Naira at this point? Can it bring any advantage and loosening the pressure on the Naira right now?
Yeah, I think it's quite tricky now because if you look at the fact that the narrative playing out right now that a tier 1 bank had some hack issues where a lot of players in the P2P market had their account frozen, that damping the Naira inflow into that market. But looking at the rates as it is at trading at close to what we see at the black market, over 1,200 to the dollar, I think pretty much Nigeria's attractiveness to the P2P market cannot be understated. This is a market that just last year to this year, Nigerian traders moved over 56.5 trillion naira. So definitely that's a role. But I think what the CBN is trying to work on, and the banks also are trying to isolate the prominence of P2P. And that's why we're seeing banks still being more aggressive on restricting that. So I don't see any relationship between the P2P market and Nigerian banks in the nearest future.
All right, definitely be looking out for that. We need to reduce the pressure on the Naira right now. Thank you so much, Olumide, additional financial market analyst. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so there we have it. Yeah, Bitcoin shining right now, but
I'm looking for a way to reduce the pressure.
The Naira. I want to strengthen the Naira. I need the Naira to appreciate bigger than this.
All right, okay, we'll get there. We'll work on it.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Laddie. See you at 1:30.
Thank you.